Hi everybody, BT here with FXLiveDayTrading.com. We just recently launched the ability for members to receive Forex trading signals if they are using MT4, and it's real easy to install. If you have not seen the first video, go ahead and actually click on that video first, and this would then be video number 2 regarding the Forex trade copier. Okay, so as a full member, you have the ability to get these signals via SMS as well as the Forex trade copier EA. So if you look here, I do have my navigator up on MT4. Go to the left here and you'll see MT4I Internet Mirror Receiver. Okay, that's what that says there, receiver. Okay, double click that and then Internet Mirror Receiver pops up. And I just want to go over today how to set lot sizing and risks. So the first way to go ahead and set your risk would be to use a fixed lot size. So the receiver then is going to get a fixed size regardless of the sender's lot size. So the sender can have $10,000 in his account and could be doing a trade with 3 mini lots. Well, the receiver could have $10 million in his account, and every time a trade is taken he wants to have the same exact amount of lots, or the receiver could have $1,000. Okay, here's how we do it. We're just going to go ahead and let's say we want 5 mini lots taken. We're just going to put 5.5 there. That's it. So using fixed lot size is simply done by just filling in the amount that you want every single time an order is placed. Let's say you only want 3 mini lots. There you go. 1 mini lot. Every time an order goes through, I want 2 standard lots, so you're going to put 2.0. Now 2 standard lots is going to go ahead and be executed, or even yet the box is going to pop up. It's going to already have the amount filled in for you. Alright, so there's a lot of parameters here which are going to go ahead and determine exactly how your Forex trade copier is going to behave. Okay, next thing, risk-based. The receiver adjusts the lot size based on the relative equity of the 2 accounts. So for example, if the sender's equity is $2,000 and the receiver equity is $4,000, and let's say the use risk factor is set to 1.5, then the receiver will trade 3 times the lot size of the sender. Okay, so what you would do then is you would just put in here 1.5. Okay, so check this out too. It is also in the PDF. When you download the trade receiver at mt4i.com, you're also going to have there a nice basic, easy to read, comprehensive manual to get started. Alright, so I'm just basically turning this into a video to kind of jumpstart and help people visualize a little bit better. Next is going to be the multiple. Okay, so basically the receiver trades a multiple of the sender's lot size regardless of the equity on each account. For example, if the lot size multiplier is set to 2, then the receiver will trade double the sender's lot size. Okay, so again, you would put a 2 here, 2.0, and you're going to be trading double whatever is given to you. Equity-based lot sizing. The receiver ignores the sender's lot size and instead uses a value based solely on the receiver's account equity. Okay, so once again, equity-based lot sizing The receiver, which is this account here, ignores the sender's lot size and instead uses a value based solely on the receiver's account equity. Equity-based lot sizing. Balance-based lot sizing. As above, except the account balance is used instead of account equity. Okay, so, for example, let's just put this balance per lot. Let's say we go 3. Nah, let's say we do 10,000. Okay, now what that basically means is every $10,000 is going to be one standard lot. Now we know that leverage would be way too high, so let's just say every $100,000 would then be one standard lot, which would amount to 1% margin. All right, I'm just throwing figures out there. All right, so when the trade is executed, the balance per lot size is going to be $100,000 per lot size. So that's balance-based lot sizing, and then we have equity-based lot sizing. Just to recap here, the receiver ignores the sender's lot size and instead uses a value based solely on the receiver's account equity. Okay. Alright, so basically equity per lot is very similar to balance per lot, except this is going to use your available equity and this is going to use your balance. All right, so just basically check your balances and you'll see most of the time they are pretty close. It's going to again depend on the trade that you're in, how much you either up or down, but these two are pretty similar. So put that back to 0 there. All right. But like I said, when you're using this should just be used as a guide, all right, especially in the beginning when you're kind of learning. And utilizing the receiver on a demo account is essential. All right. Needless to say, it is a very easy way to get signals, and I think it's a great benefit in trading in general, and also a wonderful benefit in using our live Forex Signals trading room. And then of course we're also educating people on why we are taking Forex trades, why we're not taking Forex trades, why we did get into a Forex trade, and we go over several different strategies that we utilize, and many of them I have been utilizing for years. In fact, I traded my first 5 years on Wall Street at boutique investment banking firms where I picked up a lot of tips, and then there's some things that I use that I basically have just picked up recently. So you're always learning, and you want to always move forward and never back, and that's the bottom line of trading. We have a saying in the room where I say it doesn't matter necessarily how you play the game, it's whether or not you win or lose, and I think we could apply that to trading. All right, everybody, have a great one, and I want to wish you a wonderful trading session. If you'd like more information, just go to fxlivedaytrading.com. You take care.